Hello, my name is Dikshyam and I belong to MTech background and I am from electrical. Actually, before I didn't know anything about this data science branch, but I took a step and I thought of learning this science because I have heard about the machine learning, deep learning, and all those things. I have found always very intriguing, but I was never had that chance to get a hands on that. So I have joined this course in Henry Harvin under the coaching of Deepak Sharma sir. And actually the thing is that for an electrical background student it's very difficult to accommodate all these things, but here I found that the sir has a very industrial experience and he relates to very normal the surroundings for us, so it's very easy for us to understand all those things, and that helps a lot in understanding the data science very easily. And as the job opportunities and all the things are also very intriguing in this field, so it's very easy for any background student to learn this data science.